Yun lang ang tama sa 6. Now he has to bank this or play a safety shot. Tago sa likod ng 9. Didn't get there. 2 rails ito. Good shot. Benta nga lang.
Uy, walang cut shot yan, ha?
Like he's playing safe. Talking about Nick Abergas. Kinuha niya.
Masyadong, oo. Pero, nandun naman eh. May Ryan Mark Hidalgo. No.
Mahirap yung
trail
angulo,
first.
ha?
Oo.
Pag nilagay mo sa top diamond yan, it's like telling me I can bank this.
Oo.
Pero
Hindi.
ilalayo ulit.
Parang ganyan yung mga Ay! Muntik.
Teka, napaganda pa yata. Oo. Ito kita yung pisngi, kaliwang pisngi ng 6 ball. But does he get cover? Ay, I'm not sure. Mukhang meron naman.
Sino ang unang
Ay,
kukurap?
dito pa niya kukunin.
Oh. Sino ang unang kukurap? Tumalon yung bola. It made contact and it's good.
Oh, but that's
However, it's so close. Very thin angle pero hindi pa pala thin.
Nako, yan.
Tago ulit.
Oh,
Tried.
completely missed it.
Paper cut.
Because Hidalgo will have an opportunity to send Negros Occidental to the hill.
Acrobatics muna dito si Ryan Mark Hidalgo. Konting gymnastics pero walang problema.
Yun na.